So I want to represent the conflict averse among us. And if any of y'all know the Enneagram personality tool, I am a 9, like just conflict averse to my core. I fully believe in this project, but it is hard for me to do. So I wanted to kind of address the comment that this brought up, that this was triggering, and say for me, part of the invitation is you're not supposed to be subjecting yourself to abuse or to people who make you feel bad about who you are, or situations that are just too challenging. And part of the reflect is, who are these relationships where I feel like it's worth it for me to connect and try to not let these areas of disagreement be off the table. I think that's an important distinction that we need to think about. And for me, the discernment is, all right, I probably step back too much and avoid too much. I probably need to step up a little bit more. For some of y'all, it might be a different kind of discernment, but that's part of the self-awareness, is thinking about who am I, and also, I don't want to do it, since I stepped out for a bit, David tells a story. He went to the White Privilege Conference, and one of the workshops was, you can't unfriend everyone. Right, and so I think that's part of the challenge, is if we think about this from a social change perspective, we can't all just disengage from the people we disagree with and expect change to happen. That doesn't mean that every single one of you has to go and talk to the most hardcore church racist that you know in order to do this. So that's part of the discernment that I think is really important, and I just want to lift up. For me, personality-wise, this is challenging, but I also think it's important, and that I need to learn how to do some of these things.
Thanks.